Suspended between sky and sea, high above the Amalfi Coast, Ravello is a sanctuary of silence, beauty, and eternal inspiration. Unlike its lively neighbors, Ravello whispers instead of shouts, a place for poets, dreamers, and those seeking peace. The streets are calm, shaded by stone walls and lush gardens. Every step brings you closer to the past, to ancient villas, marble archways, and quiet piazzas kissed by sunlight. Here, time flows gently like the breeze that rustles through the cypress trees. Villa Rufolo, with its Moorish architecture and tiered gardens, once inspired Wagner. Today, its terraces bloom with color and music during the famous Ravello Festival, echoing over the sea. Just a short stroll away lies Villa Cimbrone, where the legendary Terrace of Infinity opens to a breathtaking panorama. Marble busts stand guard over the cliff, as if watching the world from the edge of the sky. Below, the coastline curls like a ribbon and the sea stretches out endlessly. Ravello is not just a viewpoint, it's a feeling, a deep breath of beauty, a pause from the rush of the world. Whether sipping coffee in the piazza or walking among the pines at dusk, here, the soul finds room to dream.